is so trip. That's dope. That's like an actual album cover right there. Like, I could see it. Like, just you cool in the back, looking faded. I'm just here. What's good?
Back to Tech with Trey, y'all. This is quarantine content. Oh, you already know me. It's your boy. This is my friend Jaleece.
Hi.
She's hooking us up with the content today, as y'all saw in the description. We got the iPad Pro. Let's see the specs. Let's see if you went full Apple baller status. She got that iPad Pro 11-inch, 512, y'all.
Oh, large. Had to go big. Well, I had to go home. You feel me?
512. She's not playing games. She's trying to keep all kinds of content, all the videos, all of it. What you thinking about doing with this?
Thinking about hosting a couple of classes. Definitely trying to start up either my own YouTube channel or Instagram TV thing going on. Nothing in the actual works yet. I'm still a newbie.
Got you. All right, copy. So, quarantine content. We're in the back of my stepdad's car at the moment because, outside got the Roan. So, Roan Capone on the bottom. All right, so let's get straight to it. We're not even going to waste no kind of time for y'all.
Thanks.
iPad Pro. Actually, I'm going to let you do it. I'm going to let you do it. Go ahead.
All right, here. We're unboxing.
We don't even need the unboxing knife today, y'all.
Told him he didn't need a knife. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
It was.
That's beautiful. She's excited, y'all.
I am. I got home and I saw it on my bed and I literally just...
So, Apple dropped the 2020 iPad Pro. We've got a new wide-angle lens and a LiDAR scanner on the back. And other than that, it's the 2018 iPad Pro. The processor is listed as the A12Z. However, our friends over at iFixit went ahead to figure out what's really behind it. It's an A12X with an extra core unlocked. So the physical footprint of the chip hasn't changed at all. Apple probably just did that for cost-saving measures, given the fact that the iPad Pro 2018 was already undefeated. Well, nothing was going to beat it in the first place. So let's just take a look at it real quick.
Go ahead.
See what we got going on up in here. All right, so first impression, it's
thin.
Very much so. But it's also not heavy. You'd expect it to be, kind of heavy. But it's not. Very light. Very, very compact. This is something that I could just, hug right here. When you go into class.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't get the bigger one for that reason. I needed it to be a little bit more portable. I've seen the bigger one before, and not gonna lie, I wouldn't want that for, watching shows. But for work and portability, which is what this is supposed to be for, 11.5.
All right, so, other things in the box. We got a USB Type-C cable. Nothing crazy here, nothing new. This is the same cable if you have an iPhone 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, or you bought last year's iPad Pro. Exact same cable. Nothing new on Apple's part. And then the 18-watt adapter. Also, if you have the iPhone 11 Pro, you have, right. We have seen this brick before. So nothing new in the box. Other than that, box is empty, Apple stuff. We don't need this. You can use the same charger for your iPad Pro, for your MacBook. This charger will not work with the 11 Pro Max because it is Type-C to Type-C, not Type-C to Lightning. But the brick will work. So if you're looking for a fast charge for any iPhone newer than 2017, iPhone 8, you should probably pick yourself up one of these. I'll drop the link in the description where you can find this brick and this charger and the USB Type-C to Lightning version of this cable in the description. Let's get to the goodies.
Accessorize. Hello.
So this is from Satechi.
I thought it was Satechi.
Right.
3, 2, 1, action. We're gonna get to the accessories.
The vibes. So tell them why you bought this. What was your purpose behind it, and what do you think you're gonna use it for?
Okay, so the number one thing I always used to hear about people when they're buying an iPad or buying a Mac, it doesn't have any ports, you can't do anything to it. I used to see my teachers using a whole bunch of extra ports to hook the phone up to the smart board. Too much. So I was gonna get I was gonna get the original adapter, but then I saw this. It's actually on Apple's website. I bought it right from them, and this is basically like a pro adapter where you can fit a whole bunch of different plugs, cables. They have the SD slots, 4K HDMI output, USB charge, USB-C charge, and USB-A output. So I'll have everything I need right here, and it connects. What's that?
That's Type-C.
Type-C.
So it plugs right into the bottom of the iPad, and whatever she needs, whatever you need for school, whether it's for school productivity, making videos, doing graphic design. This is pretty much a plug right here. SD card, you take it right out the camera, drop it right in there. With iOS 13 or iPadOS 13 and the new My Files app, you can drag and drop on the iPad, no mouse necessary. Apple Pencil preferred, right off the SD card, right onto the iPad. Drop it in Photoshop and get to work. Drop it in Lightroom, get to work. So this is a productivity beast right here.
Yes.
And Jaleece and I we spent a couple nights trying to figure out whether she should go with a MacBook or whether she should go with this iPad Pro. And as you see, this was the decision. Stay tuned for the next video. We're going to discuss why college kids should go with something like this. Most college kids should go with something like this as opposed to the new MacBooks. We'll talk about money, we'll talk about specs, we'll talk about portability, and you pretty much can't go wrong with one of these. But stay tuned for the next video on that.
Part 2!
Alright, so let's talk about the interior. Let's talk about what's inside this thing. And I'm gonna let you take off the plastic because that's the enjoyable part of this whole thing. Is taking off the plastic.
Hear the angels singing, my voice is ringing. Can't copyright me cause it's a song that I made up.
Keep pulling it.
Just keep pulling it.
Keep pulling it.
I don't wanna.
Just lift it up.
Look at that shiny.
Oh my.
Cue the Moana song.
Oh my, look at that. This is beautiful. Alright, go ahead, show us the Apple logo on the screen. Turn it on.
How embarrassing. Imagine it needs to charge.
I'll just cut it. Cool.
Oh wait, let me get it in front in the light. Oh. There we go. These are the little things in life that entertain me right here.
This is what it's all about.
Okay. Go.
That's what it's all about.
Hello.
Can you do it in Spanish? Hola. Hello. What language is hello? I think it's bonjour. I feel like it might be.
No, it's not German.
Is that Chinese?
Probably.
Or is it Japanese?
I would assume
No, this one's Chinese. The other one's Japanese.
You know better than I do.
Yeah. Hello. So konnichiwa in Chinese and then Japanese.
No, konnichiwa is Chinese. It is Japanese.
You torturing Uncle Roger. Hiya!
Oh crap, we cannot put that in there. Konnichiwa is Japanese, and then annyeonghaseyo, that's Korean. Chinese? What is it? Ni hao! Ni hao! Oh my god! Alright, here we go. Hello? I can just type it down, English, and then Don't you want to just open the iPhone this way? Alright, so cool feature. You open this pops up, which, you just hit unlock to continue. You have a little quick Face ID business.
They continue.
The deal was 9 p.m.
And hold up your new iPad to the camera. Position the pattern in the center of the circle. This camera. Apple, right here. This is the benefits.
This is the benefits right here. Finish on your iPad. So I see a pin. Oh, we don't really use it because it's not Face ID. So, 2020 iPad Pro is similar to the iPhone SE as an Apple scapegoat. Just an easy way to bring in some new money. See that they dropped a new product. But the last year versions of all of them is really no different. If you guys want to go pick up an iPad, an iPad 2018 or an iPhone 8, definitely go ahead and do that. I'm going to drop another video about my thoughts on the iPhone SE and why I don't think that phone is what you guys think it is. But, stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
I gotta go set up this iPad.
But
Next time you see us, there'll be more accessories.
more accessories.